Today, I'll show you how to find and use version history in Roblox Studio in 2026. First, let's save our project as Boring Dummy. Now, spawn a basic R15 dummy. I'll leave it without any color so we have a simple version to work with. Make sure the output window is open as well. Next, go to File and choose Save to Roblox with Notes. For the version title, enter version 001. Then, for the version details, type Boring Dummy. After saving, you should see a message in the output window confirming that the new changes were saved to Roblox. Now let's find our saved version. Go to Window, then Version History. The version history window will appear, and you should see version 001 that we just created. You can expand the version to see the details we added earlier. Now, let's create another version. Close version history, select the dummy, and change its color to something more interesting. Once you're happy with it, go to File, Save to Roblox with Notes again. This time, use version 002 as the version title. For the version details, enter Colorful Dummy. After saving, open Window, then Version History again. Now we have two saved versions, version 001 and version 002, with the notes we added to each one. But what if we want to go back to version 001? On the right side of version 001, click the three-dot button. Then choose Open Local Copy. Roblox Studio will open another place window containing that specific version. From here, you can either save it as an overwrite of the current experience or save it as a new experience. If you want to overwrite the current experience, there's one important thing to remember. You can't overwrite it while the current version is still open. So close the original project first, then save the local copy again. Now the changes should save successfully. Let's reopen the project. You should now see our original boring R15 dummy version. If you open version history again, you'll see the current version we just saved, which doesn't have our notes, along with all the previously saved versions. And if you want to restore the colorful dummy again, simply select version 002 and use the same open local copy process. This gives you an easy way to view, compare, and recover older versions of your Roblox Studio project.